everybody. My name is Tinsley and welcome to my lab. And make sure to subscribe and click the bell for new videos. Thank you. Welcome to Hi, my name's Tinsley. Welcome to Tinsley's lab. And this is...
Dad. I'm your assistant, right?
Yep, he's the mad scientist.
Oh, I think you're the mad scientist. So, what are we making today?
Bursting blood cells.
Ooh, do you know what blood cells are? They're in your body.
Oh.
Yeah, there's red blood cells and there's white blood cells.
I never knew that.
Now you do. Did you know that 2% of your blood cells is white blood cells?
Whoa.
So if you have 100 red blood cells, how many white ones are in there?
I don't know.
2.
2?
2 white blood cells for every 100 red blood cells. Pretty
Okay.
cool, huh?
Yes.
All right, so what are we going to do? Make some bursting blood cells, right?
Yep.
They go poppity-pop?
Boppity bop.
Okay, so what do we do first? Put on your safety goggles.
And do not eat all this.
Don't eat any of this.
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you have your parents' permission or supervision while you do these experiments. You can find them in the link below. This is the National Geographic Super Gross Chemistry Set. Tinsley's idea to make some super gross stuff, right?
Yep.
Okay, so first we're going to take 50 milliliters of water, right? Add it in the short cup. Just dump it.
Looks tall here and short here.
Yeah.
Because this is short and fat, and this is tall and skinny.
Yeah, like
and you're
me.
tall, and I'm skinny.
Oh.
And I'm short, and you're fat.
Oh, thanks. Add a medium scoop of calcium chloride. Do we have the medium scoop out? No, we probably don't.
That's okay.
It's right here.
Yep.
We don't have all our tools, but this is our first video, so bear with us. So I will get you the calcium chloride, and I'll let you...
Pour it.
Okay. Calcium chloride will dry out your skin, so what do we do after we're done with these experiments?
Wash your hands.
Right on.
And if you leave them dirty, what happens?
They dry out.
Yep.
There you go. 1 scoop.
Yep.
Now take your stir stick
Which we have right here.
and stir it up.
Stir, stir, stir. Stir until all the chunks of calcium chloride is all gone.
Right.
And do not eat.
No.
That's what the stickers say.
That's right. How is it doing? That looks pretty good.
Yep. Yep.
Tap, tap, tap. Now we take 10 milliliters of red sodium alginate.
Even though it looks good, do not eat.
It don't look good.
Well, when you put it in that, it looks like medicine, but it's not.
It does, yeah.
But it's not.
It's not. Now we fill the small pipette, right?
Mhm.
Remember, just drops. Don't squirt it, just little drops. Just like that. And this is what's going to make the little red blood cells.
There are not going to be too many. Right?
Keep making little red blood cells.
And I hope you like our experiment. experiments.
Okay, that's good.
Hit the comments down below.
Hit the comments. See, tell us what you think, and let's let Dad make a few.
Do not eat.
Oh, look at that. Look at all those little red blood cells.
And while you're dropping, do not put your hand under it.
Yeah, because then it won't make a blood cell. Just make a mess.
A really big mess.
So, let's show the camera what we did. We hold it up and have our mom photographer. Can you see it? All right. So, you want to take one out and squish it for the camera?
Yep.
Here, let's take it out with this.
Yeah.
Back up.
Okay.
Can't see. Whoa, they're getting away.
Not today, blood cells. Okay, and can you see it? Oh, look at that. Did you zoom in on it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you squish it? Ugh, gross.
Your turn.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, let our camera lady just zoom in on it.
Ew. That is gross.
Can we pick up one more?
Now we need to carefully fill the small scoop with 6 drops of white sodium alginate.
Okay.
We're going to make some white blood cells now. So we got about 20 white blood cells in there. Normally we would have 100, and then we would put 2 of these in here
But it says
for
to do
2%, right?
6.
Submerge the scoop into the calcium chloride water.
We've
what
never
we're
done
gonna
this
do.
before, right?
Right. We're going to let it sit there about 10 seconds. Okay. And we'll make one more.
Oh, I
Look
see
at that.
it. I see it. Do you?
Yep.
This time it's easier to see. Well, well, we
We're
did
going
it.
to do it again. Here
Yeah.
we go. Ready? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's going to be kind of hard to see these white blood cells on the camera. Believe me, they're there though.
Yes.
They're in there.
Yeah, they're at the bottom.
They're floating.
Somewhere.
Okay, now, holding the stir stick at the edge of the cup, keep the blood cells from escaping. All right? We'll have to get a cup out of our kit.
And that's easy. It just kind of looks like a little door.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do this so we don't spill them, right?
Yeah. And
I
don't
got-
let the blood cells escape.
Dump all of that liquid into here.
Don't let the blood cells. Is it okay if the white blood cells sneak out?
Nope, it's not okay. We'll put a little bit more back in there. Hey, back up.
Just to make
Just
the
to
blood
let them float. And we'll put them in our little
for
vial.
fun, right?
What?
To make them float for fun, right? Right, Daddy?
Right.
Ding, ding, ding.
Okay. There we have red blood cells
And
and white blood cells.
we just can't really see the white.
Yeah, you kind of see them in there. I don't know if Mom can zoom in on them.
Can you?
They're okay. And we're going to save this for the next experiment, which we'll be making. What are we making next?
Eyeballs?
Yeah, gross eyeballs. So thanks for watching.
And I'm glad you like our experiment.
And we'll see you on the next video.